Electric BIGFOOT, new for 2023. Leading legends, Hot Wheels monster trucks. Welcome back to another unboxing here on Monster Truck Classics. And I live in Pennsylvania and I never saw this in the stores. What I did, I went on to BIGFOOT 4x4, got two of them, one to open and one to stay in the package. Here it is on the back of the card, the name, Electric BIGFOOT, truck type, pickup strength, electrifying power, crash attack, shock king, and it has a connect and crash car along with it, and you see the other trucks in this series. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Here is the Connect and Crash car. We'll set that aside. Here it is, the Electric BIGFOOT. On the back here, we have Summit Racing, the Hot Wheels logo, Firestone logo, and then we have, it says battery-powered BIGFOOT and Odyssey battery. It has a very different look to the wheels of the color, almost like aqua blue for it, and you can see just the lightning in that is thundering out of there. On the side of BIGFOOT up here we get the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo, which that is very different. That's the first time I've seen that as on the trucks. Now we're gonna bring it onto the front. There is no paint for the lights on top here. On the hood, there we go, electric powered BIGFOOT, Odyssey battery, and Firestone. And it has a different colored windshield, kind of like purple. Onto the other side of BIGFOOT now, electric powered, and the roll cage is a purple as well. It's a different kind. And we're gonna bring it on to the tailgate now. That's what it says on the tailgate. Battery powered BIGFOOT. Kind of looks like a Blue Thunder style look to it. And then on the roof, it has the Hot Wheels Monster Truck logo. So that is pretty cool to see. This is the first time of seeing that on the truck, as I mentioned before, and then Summit. They have that on top. So, and something different is the motor is completely different. Someone, I forget if it was on the Monster Truck Collecting group on Facebook or if it was on a different group page for monster trucks, and someone pointed that out, that they took the detail into putting a different motor in, so to speak, for it to be battery powered, since this is a battery powered BIGFOOT. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this review and unboxing.